Oh, you did. You get spoon or fork? Okay.
Fork be playing with people.
Yeah.
You want to do a reaction video with me?
Don't start yet without it. I'm coming around. Oh, halfway shit.
I got 24 hours and it's starting right now.
24 seconds left.
It took too long, bro.
Wait.
Who's coming to eat?
You just asked me about the
Yes, I'm already
Mario.
Hello?
None of them. Let them
Come
start.
eat.
You said what?
Hi. Food's done.
I got 24 hours and we're starting right now. Shot clock. Oh, it's time with the chicken or the rice?
Wait, you got so much beans and stuff.
Real.
You just take the beans out on this side.
Bro, what?
What you mean, bro? What?
Chicken or beef? Alright, let's start with the chicken. See, mine's, I got some spicy onions in mine.
Yeah, you green. You ain't give me none.
Some fire ass chicken with sauce in it.
Okay. That's how you be doing it in YouTube videos. Like,
Yeah. See that?
Alright.
Where's the money?
Laying down.
Bring her. Tell her I said bring her ass.
Don't say the cuss word though.
Probably.
It's spicy. It is.
How is spicy?
A lot of things so fast.
Get your water in, you guys. Say it again.
No.
Alright.
Well, we'll finish the chicken.
You want spicy onions?
Put the onions on my shit.
It's juicy.
Yo,
I said
take your
juicy.
shit. Go find somebody to sit down and eat.
What would you rate it?
I'm already sitting on the table. What's your snack?
I gotta finish.
Standing here is crazy.
I gotta finish eating it.
Why are you always recording? I'm already sitting there.
Why you was minding my business? No, we gotta finish the chicken first.
That shit hot. I only got one chicken, you got two, nigga. I'm supposed to eat the rest of
You
just
can
some
get
rice?
another one.
Cause I know this shit is spicy.
No, it's not even that spicy.
This shit is spicy.
No, it's not.
No, it's what you call it.
Yo, you mutton it. It's not that spicy.
Okay. Don't worry.
Oh,
Please do not
that's
get that shit to close.
sauce.
Let's finish the
Even
chicken.
a lot of burgers.
So what?
That shit's spicy.
Yo, you mutton. Huh? Ooh, pump. Yo, bro. You want to eat the chicken, then we're going to rate the chicken, and then we're going to eat the,
My lips feel like it. What the fuck was that?
Oh, it's that funny, guys.
My lips feel
yo,
like
we're
it's
going
falling off.
to, listen, we're going to eat the chicken, we're going to rate it.
Hey, I did something to my chicken. You're breaking me. That shit's spicy. I can't take it. My lips feel like they're falling off.
She's crying. Leave my
You're green as fuck. Oh my God.
She's crying. You're crying?
Cause my lips feel like they're falling off.
She's crying.
I'm like, hey.
You gotta say yes, spicy.
Yeah.
Yes, spicy.
Yeah.
10, how hot it is?
That shit is. I'm even saying don't give that shit to Chloe. Oh, what is that?
1 out of 10, how hot it is?
My lips
The
are
damn
like.
crying.
My lips have a
I
heartbeat.
said that over and over.
My lip ain't never have a heartbeat a day in my life. Oh, y'all green. Y'all green. Don't worry about it.
She switched the
You know what?
chicken.
I should have known it was something. The way, come out here, baby girl. Come, baby girl. And that's wow. Y'all green. Y'all are so green.
Know
Oh,
that bitch hot.
that's why you keep saying finish the chicken.
Yeah, that's why. Finish the chicken.
Give me my phone.
Y'all don't see her plate. Almost one.
No, listen, just switch the chicken.
What? No, I'm going to play.
Oh
Oh,
my god.
what did y'all put on that?
You
My
want
lips is still burning. What's on the chicken? Show her.
Huh?
Please show me what that is.
What's on the chicken?
Yes. Oh, so y'all always in on it.
The world's hottest. I just got to it now.
Oh, you talking about yours?
I did.
Oh,
Oh.
you're wrong for that. You're
The
oh.
bomb.
Wait, show the camera.
The bomb.
No.
Hey, 1 out of 10, how hot it is?
I bet if you see I'm going like this, I don't want my lips to fall off.
But 1 out of 10.
It says one drop with extreme.
It says
With
1,000?
kid, that shit is extreme.
Everyone just took a
I want to
bite.
try it.
She said, fuck that. Hold on. She drank water. Drink water, guys.
It says to consume with extreme caution.
And it says one drop.
I want to try it, guys.
Y'all green, Cassandra, you green.
Wait, hold on, wait. Somebody's going on my finger.
Cheese.
Y'all keep. We're not bored at much. We're not.
Say cheese.
Oh, man. That was...
No, don't do. Okay, kid.
You want to try it?
Hey, fuck no.
Okay.
What's wrong with you?
My lips still burning.
The bomb.